Hi, this is a movie about the storage of your VHS cassettes on how to store it the best way. Now let's just take one VHS cassette. Let's just take the core. Now, first thing, the way you want to store it, obviously you want to know what movie it is. If you go into your movie collection, if you cannot store it like the like upwards like this, if you cannot store it like this, which I will not recommend, it's good to store DVDs like this, but I'll tell you now why I would not store a VHS cassette upwards like this. First of all, you see the name of the movie is on the side. So what you want to do is you want to store it in a way that this shows forward towards you. And then also you want to store your videos like this. Let me just open up uh the cover. See, the label the label is upwards. Now the reason why you want to store your video cassette like this is, number one, the best way to know how to store your cassette is the same way when you put it in your VCR. See, you put it with the label up. When you put it in a VCR, you put it with the label up. You don't put it like this into a VCR. You put it like this. Now, the best way to store a VHS cassette is like this. Because, number one, if you store it like this, for instance, there's a lot of stuff inside the VHS cassette that now have to um, that's working inside. Even though you don't know it is working, but it does work because now it must um, press up against rails that is pushing down because of gravity. Inside, here inside, you have an a thing here at the bottom. If you see, there's a round thing now. When you put the cassette into the into a VCR, there is something inside the VCR that push up, that makes sure that, and then when that something push that plastic thing inside there up, this reels, the reels suddenly come loose, and then it can play the VHS cassette. It is very important for the reels to not move while you are storing it. So that's very important because, well, what you will get then, if the reels are not secure, then you will have the tape will then not press up against the head properly. Or in this case, since it's a 6-head hi-fi stereo VCR, it will not press properly up to the 6 heads, which might cause the tracking and all of that stuff to go out on your VCR. Then the VCR must continuously um, adjust the tracking and so on. Then the tape doesn't flow properly inside the VHS or the VCR machine. So um, so that is very important for you to store the cassette with its label up wherever you store it. Then another thing is, this cassette is very is very sensitive to magnetic fields and so on. So if you have one of those badges, that name tags that I gave you at your job, or you want to store a speaker somewhere, don't go and think, okay, my VHS cassettes is nice and secure in a cupboard. I can now store that speaker also, and then later on go and fetch that speaker, or go and fetch that name tag. Anything that has a magnetic field is a danger for your VHS cassettes. It's almost like a person that's allergic to penicillin. If that person drink penicillin, that person might die because of drinking the penicillin. The same, VHS cassettes are very allergic to magnetic fields. Any magnet, whether it's a fridge magnet, whether it's a speaker, a magnet behind the speaker, whether it's a name tag that they give you at your work, none of those magnetic stuff must come close to your VHS cassette collection. And it's very important for you to store the VHS cassettes the way it's being played in a VCR. Like I said, there's a lot of springs, there's a lot of stuff inside here. And now you say, but there's no electricity. How does it work? It does work because now they have to push up. Okay, if you store it like this, obviously this spring that's holding this reel at the bottom will not have much work to do because the gravity is pulling this reel away from that spring. But this upper reel is now pressing down against the plastic things that's connected to the spring. And now tomorrow you put the cassette in, and then the tape is very loose. I'm going to one day make a video on to show you how to um, make the springs tight again, on how to make the reels tight, on how to service a VHS cassette so that it can play better in your VCR. So this is all that I have to say about your VHS cassettes and how to store them and so on. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of this unedited type of videos. Thank you. Bye.